Hello, this is Lefty Chris, and today I'm going to give a quick update on the current amount of Oracle nodes. I'm also going to cover the weather forecast nodes and just give a deeper dive into them. So let's get started. Be sure to follow GoPlugin at GoPlugin on Twitter. Currently, there are 1,780 nodes and 1,606 active nodes. And I've heard that they may end up stopping the node count at 2,000. So that's just something to keep in mind. There's 12,378,636 supply staked thus far. As far as the weather forecast node, this is one of the many use cases that GoPlugin has to offer. There are 38 weather forecast nodes around the world that are being ran, and that means that there are 62 weather forecast nodes that are remaining to actually be staked. And what I mean by that is you can actually stake 1,000 GoPlugin tokens and 5,000 XDC to your weather forecast node, and you would receive 10% rewards for what you staked per month, and the duration is 1 year. So if we go to explore now, we can search the country, we can search the state. We're going to search, actually, so much is going on. Let's search the country, search the state, the city of Atlanta, and location 1. And right now, this is my weather node. This is my weather unit. So you can see the current temperatures for where I live, basically. Now, the temperature is 9.8 degrees Celsius. If you want to convert this to Fahrenheit, the formula is 1.8 times the temperature in Celsius plus 32. What I would do is just multiply by 2 and then just round this to 10. 2 times 10 is 20 plus 32. So it's roughly 52 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm actually looking, yeah, it's around 49 to 52 degrees Fahrenheit where I live. So it's a rough estimate, but you get the point. But you can look at the weather info. You can look into the blockchain info where you can deploy your contract. You have the push weather, as well as you also have the show weather, in which this is, again, it's more on the developer's eyes. You're looking into the request contract and the environmental check for temperature, relative humidity, heat index, and wind speed. And then lastly, you have the 10 days record. So just the last 10 days of what the weather was like for my city. This is a very, very cool use case. One of the first use cases that GoPlugin had to offer, and are still building. One thing to note, if we go to the GoPlugin weather forecast use case FAQ page, you can use the ambient exclusive weather device or the Accurate device. I currently have the Accurate device, in which I went on Amazon to purchase, and you can also go to accurate.com. Number 5 says how much staking is needed for a weather unit to participate: 1,000 ply and 5,000 XDC. Number 8 is showing that the first 100 users, you'll be able to receive basically 10% rewards for the staked ply and the staked XDC. And then the duration, number 7, is for 1 year. If we go down to number 18, it says, I am not on the first 100 list. Can I participate in this weather unit staking program? Yes. Plugin wanted to onboard more data feed providers, and you will be notified when we are opening the platform for all. So that's something to look into if you're not in the first 100. And then number 19, what is the maximum cap for the number of weather stations? And they're looking to deploy, or looking for individuals to deploy 1 million weather units across around the world. Right now, there's only 38. So that's a huge step, but that's something that they're looking forward to. And me personally, I'm very excited to see something like that. You know, coming from a meteorology background, this is one of the more exciting use cases that I really look forward to seeing. Keep watch for more use cases that are coming through from GoPlugin.